Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. So today we're going to be making an easy vinegar cleaning spray. Vinegar is a natural antibacterial and it's natural antifungal. So it will not kill viruses, but it can do basic cleaning in your home. So the things you're going to need will be water, some white vinegar, a spray bottle to put it in, and it's not necessary, but you can use some essential oils to make it smell better. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my 3 cups of water. If you had a funnel, that would help also, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to pour it in like this. This has their little pointed tips, so it shouldn't be too bad. So this has 2 cups in here, and then I'll get 1 more cup, and this is the water. And I'll put below the recipe. So it's 2 cups. Let me get 1 more cup. Okay, so there's my 3 cups of water, and I need 1/2 cup of my white vinegar. I use vinegar and water to mop my floors with because I have hardwood floors. So it's good for that as well. So 1/2 cup of vinegar. And then if you want to add your essential oil, I have this lavender essential oil. Put about 10 or so drops in there. It's probably more than 10 drops. There's that. And then I'm just going to put my lid back on. Give it a little swirl. Mix it up. And it's easy as that. I have my own antibacterial and antifungal cleaning spray. As easy as that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care. Build your life. Do it yourself.